Stop guessing on why your DJI Mic 2 audio is only playing the left ear. This is exactly how you fix the monitoring imbalance without failing once. Most other tutorials for wireless mics are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you your cable is broken when the issue is actually a simple stereo versus mono routing conflict inside the receiver's 2026 firmware. Before we plug in your headphones again, you need to understand the logic of the dual-channel split, or you'll just get stuck with one-sided audio every time you record a solo vlog. We're doing this hand-in-hand and step-by-step right now, so there's no way you can fail to get a full, balanced monitor signal. Rexus is the authority on these creator gear fixes because we know that stereo mode, S, is designed to put transmitter 1 on the left and transmitter 2 on the right, which sounds jarring if you're only using one mic. Look at your receiver screen and realize that the S icon is literally telling the device to keep the channels separate. As we get closer to the fix, you can feel the professional immersion returning to your headphones. Here's a secret trick that other creators missed. If you're only using one transmitter, you must switch the receiver to mono mode, M, to force the signal into both ears. But if you need to stay in stereo for post-production, you should use the mono safety track, MS, mode, which duplicates the signal but at a lower volume on the right side. This pro tip gives you a full audio image while still protecting your recording from clipping. To fix your one-sided monitoring and prove you are a pro, you must swipe down on the receiver screen, tap the recording mode icon, and switch it from S to M. That specific setting change merges the signals and centers your audio in both ears instantly. If you want to walk through on how to fix this in Premiere or DaVinci after you've already recorded it, just drop a comment below.